Good morning, students. In this video, I will show you how to create table, how to apply shading, how to apply table style, alignment, insert and delete rows and columns, how to merge cell, how to split cell, and how to delete table. Now before that, I want to tell you that there are many methods to create a table. So let's learn one by one. Let's create a table. To create, you have to click on the Insert tab. Now you can view a table here. Click over here. Let's learn the first method. You can directly select the number of columns and number of rows from here to create a table. So select. After you select, click once. So this is the first method, how to insert a table. Okay. Now I will show you how to insert a table by using the second method. Click outside the table. Click on Insert tab, click on Table, and click on Insert Table option. Now when you click this, a dialog box will appear. How many numbers of columns you need, how many numbers of rows you need, you can increase or decrease the number from here. Select the number from here, okay? Say for example, I want 6 columns and 4 rows. Now click OK. So this is the second method, how to insert a table. Now let's learn the third method. The third method is you have to draw table. So click on the Insert tab again. Click on Table and select the option Draw Table. You will get a pencil. Now, just a second. Now, to create a table, you have to click and drag. Okay, how many columns you want? Say for example, I want 2 columns. Make line and make it 2 columns. So instead of 2, let's say 3 columns. Okay, now I want 3 rows, so I'll make a line to make a row. So this is how we create a table by using the third method. Now do you see this pencil? To remove this pencil from the page, you have to click Draw Table option. So hope everyone is clear how to create table. Now I would like to say that when you create a table, you will get 2 tabs. Okay, one is Design tab, another one is Layout tab. In Design tab, you can work related to all the coloring parts, and in Layout tab, you can work on structure part of the table. Clear? Now let's apply shading in the table. To apply shading, you have to go to Design. From the Table Style group, you have to click here Shading. Okay, before that I want to apply on table, so click in the table, so click the table, select the table, click on shading and select whatever color you want to apply. So in this way you can apply shading to your table. Now if you want to remove the color, select again, go to the shading and select the option No Color. So in this way you can remove the color. Clear? Now let's apply table style in your table. Select the table, click on the button and select any style from here. Whichever style you want, you can select. So in this way you can insert table style. Hope everyone is clear. It's easy, right? Just a second. Now remember, students, to go from one cell to the next cell, you have to use the left, right, okay, down, up arrow key from the keyboard. Clear? Now let's learn how to insert and delete rows and columns. So I've already made one table in the next page. I'll use the table. Okay. Now first I will show you how to insert row. Now to insert a row, the first thing is you have to click on the layout tab, right? Now suppose I want a row above this Rahul, okay, above this row. Keep the cursor in that row, and in the rows and column groups you will find two options: insert above, insert below. This is for row, okay? So if you want to insert above, click the option insert above, so you will get a row above Rahul. So in this way you can insert rows. If you want to delete the row, keep the cursor or you can select, and in the layout tab you will get delete. Click the option delete and select insert delete rows. So this is how you insert and delete rows. Now let's learn how to insert and delete columns. To insert a column, say for example I want to insert a column on the right hand side, okay, between this blue house and yellow house. So keep the cursor here on the first column and click the options insert right. If the cursor is here, you have to click the option insert left, because you need a column between blue house and yellow house, okay? So I've kept my cursor in the first column, so I will have to choose the option insert right. So click the option insert right. You will get a column here. Now if you want to delete the column, same steps how you delete the row. Select the column, click on the layout. From the rows and column group, click on delete and select the option delete column. So in this way you can insert and delete columns. Now I'll show you how to merge cell. Now see, the first row, this is my table heading. It doesn't look good, right? So what I will do is I will merge the cell. I want the entire row for heading, alright? So to merge the cell, you have to select the cell, click on the layout. In the merge group you will find merge cell options. Click that. So in this way you can merge the cell. The three cells are merged. Clear? Now let me insert one row below this. Okay, now I'll show you how to split a cell. See, I want to split a cell only, I want to split only this cell. Example, keep the cursor over here. Okay, I want to split only this cell into multiple columns and multiple rows. So how to do that? Keep the cursor there, click on layout, and in the merge group you can select the option split cell. You will get a dialog box. So insert the number, how many columns you want, how many rows you want. I want 2 columns and 2 rows, so I will make it 2 2 and click OK. So this cell will be divided into 2 columns and 2 rows. So this is how you merge cell and how you split cell. Hope everyone is clear. Now let's learn the last point, which is delete table. To delete the table, you will have to select the table, go to the layout and click on delete options and select the option delete table. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.